Are you thinking about moving to Phoenix, Arizona? Well, let me tell you about this amazing community that I found called Azure Canyon. Now, Azure Canyon is located in Litchfield Park right along Camelback Road. Azure Canyon is a community brought to you by Mattamy Homes, and it features right around 350 home sites. The lot sizes start right around 7,500 square feet and they go up from there. The HOA in Azure Canyon is right around $110. The community features walking trails, biking trails, and 2 small parks. Now, Azure Canyon is a beautiful community in a beautiful location, so let's get in there and let's walk 2 of their model homes today. Let's jump right into it. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living in Phoenix, Arizona, then tap that subscribe button. Also, hit that notification bell. That way you can be the first to know about the current market here in Phoenix. Hi guys, my name is Melendez. I'm a real estate professional here in Phoenix, Arizona, covering some of the most outstanding neighborhoods of the Phoenix area. And if you're thinking about making a move to the Phoenix area, then let's chat. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call with me. All of my information is in the description below. Well, just like I said, we're going to take a quick tour of this amazing community. So let's just jump right into it. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to tap that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell, that way you can be the first to know about the current market here in Phoenix. Well, just like always, guys, thank you so much for viewing my content, and I hope you all have an amazing day.